Namaste to all. Again, I am here with few case study questions, and case study questions is also important for exam purpose, and concept should be also clear. Now we come on the questions. Here one question, case study question from chapter direct and inverse variation. So the question is, Mohan starts his journey to a certain place by car at 9 am and reaches the place at 1 pm. If he drives the car at a speed of 30 km per hour, on the basis of above information, answer the following question. Journey started at 9 am and completed at 1 pm. Total time, what time taken? First question is the time taken by Mohan to reach his destination. So it is clear 9 am to 1 pm. So time when Mohan start his journey 9 am means 9 hours. Time when he reached his journey 1 pm means 13 hours. If we convert timing into 24 hours clock, it will be 13 hours. So what time taken? 13 hours minus 9 hours. It will be 4 hours. So the option 4 is 4 hours, right option. Now we come on the second question. Total distance covered by him is. Then what distance covered in 4 hours? So the speed of Mohan, the speed of car given 30 km per hour. It means in 1 hour the car covered 30 km. What distance covered by the car in 4 hours? So distance covered in 1 hour 30 km and distance covered in 4 hours 30 into 4 equals to 120 km. So option 4 will be answer 120 km. It is the right answer. Now we come on the third questions. Third question is, by how much should he increase a speed so that he can reach the place by 12 noon? 9 am started and 12 noon means total 3 hours. What should be a speed to cover that distance in 3 hours? Option 4 options given. Let the speed needed to cover the distance in 3 hours be x km per hour. A speed given in kilometer per hour. 30 km per hour the speed. Then distance covered in 4 hours. But now we should cover the distance in 3 hours. So time 3 hours. So distance should be x km per hour. So we have arranged it in a table. Two quantities, one quantity speed and second time. Now we clarify it. It is direct variation, either inverse variation. If a speed 30 km per hour to cover in 4 hours, so time reduced from 4 to 3. So our speed should be increased. It is in opposite direction, so it is case of inverse variation. Means one decreases and other should be increased. So it is inverse variation, and you know that inverse variation x into y remains the constant. So 30 multiply 4 equals to x multiply 3. Now according to linear equation, if we send 3 into LHS, 30 will be cancelled by 3 10 times, and 10 into 4 equals to 40. So x equal to 40 means 40 km a speed should be. But question asks that by how much should he increase a speed? Earlier their speed is 30 km and a speed needed is 40 km. What a speed should be increased? he should increase his speed by 40 minus 30, so 10 km per hour. So student, you should keep it in mind both options given 40 km and 10 km per hour. So right answer is 10 km per hour according to question. Keep it in mind to clarify that which option will be, so 10 km per hour. Now we come on fourth questions. If two quantities x and y vary inversely with each other, then no any concern from that question. It is content based questions. X and y are, if two quantities x and y are inversely with each other, two quantities x and y are inversely with each other. So inverse, just we have discussed in one question, if inverse variation then x into y remains the constant. So here four options given: x upon y remains constant, x minus y remains constant, x plus y remains constant, and x into y remains constant. So if it is inversely, so x into y remains constant. If the question asks if two quantities x and y are directly with each other, then the answer should be x upon y remains constant. But here is given inversely. So the right answer is x into y remains the constant. If quantities changed from x and y, p and q, then answer will be p and q remain the constant. Now in last questions, fifth questions. If x and y vary directly with each other and x equal to 24, what is y when the constant of variation is 3? Just we have discussed in question number 4th. If x and y directly, then x upon y equal to k constant. If it is given inversely, then we should write x into y equal to k constant. Here x given 24, y given to find out, and constant of variation is 3. We will do the cross multiplication. 3 into y equal to 24. So y equals to 24. If we send 3 into RHS, it gives 8 times. 3 8 is 24. So y equal to 8. And the right answer is third, that is option 8. So right answer 8. If questions are x and y vary inversely, so we will write x into y equal to k, and answer also will be different. So if you keep it in mind that it is directly or inversely, then you will able to give the right answer. So I think that now the concept of direct and inverse cleared, and if you have doubt, then again you should see the videos and clarify the concept. Okay, thank you.